Have you heard about cool technology available for Tundra SR5 in San Antonio? Here are just some of Toyota's Entune features you'll love while driving your Tundra SR5. Using Bluetooth tech, Toyota Entune will help you make dinner reservations and check local traffic jams, thanks to access to apps like OpenTable and more. Of course, there's HD radio and Sirius XM radio for all your favorite songs and shows. Plus, you'll get peace of mind with the safety of hands-free voice recognition navigation to get you where you need to be with ease. So connect with your Tundra SR5 like never before, starting with a trip to Toyota of Boerne in person or online at toyotaofboerne.com. Our knowledgeable staff has all the details. At Toyota of Boerne, we'll help you select the right Toyota for your budget and lifestyle. See you soon!